On the 19th of December, 1964, the Weather Bureau's forecast said, heavy rains are predicted for Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. A saturated air mass is moving in from the southwest. The forecast seemed routine enough, although ahead lay a period of unbelievable havoc. This was a tropical storm that was moving in on the coast instead of the usual winter storm out of the Gulf of Alaska. The tropical front, with its warm, moist air, was to be held over the Pacific coast for 3 weeks. The rain fell on land that only a few months before had been ravaged by dozens of brush and forest fires which stripped the earth of its cover. The result was water, tons on tons of water that cascaded down with an irresistible force. Ditches became creeks, creeks became rivers, and rivers became maelstroms of water, mud, and debris. The Eel River Valley, the Russian River Drainage Complex, and the Klamath River Basin were the scenes of worst damage. Inland, the Sacramento, the Feather, the American, and the Truckee River systems also went on a rampage, although with less destruction because of flood control works partially or wholly completed. Even as you view it, the devastation is hard to believe. The flood waters brought huge redwood logs and stumps, battering the bridges of the Eel River. Some 35 bridges collapsed. This, for example, is what's left of the bridge at North Rio Dell. A collapsed bridge at South Scotia. Freakish things occurred. This house was left standing intact on its end, more than a mile from its original site. This is what's left of the Pacific Lumber Company near Scotia. The lumber business in Humboldt and Del Norte counties, the major industry of the area, was brought to a standstill. A damaged bridge at Myers Flat. This is a view of the tremendous overflow at a PG&E dam in the Feather River Canyon. Dams newly completed, or partially completed, help to contain the runoff. Coyote Dam near Ukiah and the partially completed Oroville Dam did much to prevent catastrophes. Ground access was destroyed, except by remote roads. Here's a view of Highway 101 near Rio Dell. These houses near Rio Dell were destroyed. Logs were scattered at Ferndale.